Okay, so here's the biggest problem that I have with Cesar Millan, and that's that he has this core belief that the most important thing to the dog is exercise. And, you know, he wants you to go out and exercise with your dog, which is all fine and dandy. But the problem is this, is that, you know, running with your dog, I think it's unrealistic to think that, you know, the person that's a lawyer or works at Walmart, you know, you have a job and then you have to come home and run 1.5 miles with your dog, you know, to tire it out. It's unrealistic. And the other thing is that this is honest to God truth. 4 million dogs are dying every year, and it isn't because of lack of exercise, Cesar. They're dying because of lack of training. You know, that's the problem. It's lack of training. It's not lack of exercise, okay? And when you train your dog, when you drill your dog daily, your dog is getting the proper exercise, and it stimulates the mind. You know, that's another thing that a problem that I have is he sells this thing. It's like a tow rope, right? So you're supposed to like be towed behind the dog if you're on rollerblades or something. You know, sled dogs, you know, that's what it's supposed to be simulating. They do that in like 28-degree weather, okay? And every time I see somebody running with a dog, it's always lagging behind. Why? Because we run at a different speed than dogs, all right? We're more efficient. Maybe not in snow, but on the dry ground at 70 degrees running, we can smoke a dog. You know, a human can smoke a dog in a marathon too. Think about it. They don't run like that, man. They run, you know, they run after the kill and they kill it, you know. They walk, they watch it, they watch the herd, and then if they get an opportunity, they go after it. It's a mad dash. It's a long sprint. You know, running with your dog is sort of inappropriate. That's how I feel. You should be training your dog. So that's the problem. He's selling this tow rope that, like, people are going to buy it. You're never going to be able to, like, explain to the people with this tow rope type leash that the dog's supposed to be at heel. You know, it's all to make money. It's all to make money. I mean, my God, dude. You know, do you really got to sell stupid products like that leash? It makes no sense, man. Why don't you sell a nice leash? You know? Why didn't you sell a 6-foot leather leash and say this is a leash that everyone should have? Why? Because every obedience trainer in America knows that leather is the proper material. And I'm sorry if you're a vegan, you know, from what I understand, somebody's making a simulated leash sort of like that out of rubber. So maybe you try one of those. I wouldn't try it. Use a leather leash. That's why horses' reins and dogs' leashes, they're made out of leather because it works the best. So you're a douchebag, Millan. You're a douchebag for selling that product. You don't have to sell it. That's the point, Millan. You don't have to sell it. You have enough money.